Remove all parts and material from the box and check if there are any missing parts against the included checklist. Insert dowel into board 1, board 2, board 3, board 4, and board 5. Insert 2-pin magnet into board 1 and board 5. Screw the Myfix into board 1. Install cabinet leg on board 8 using M3.5 screw. Attach board 4 to board 1 using Myfix. Use M4x45mm screw to attach board 5 to board 4. Attach board 2 to board 1. Attach board 3 to the cabinet body. Attach board 8 to cabinet body using M4 screw. Attach backboard to the back of the cabinet body using power pin. Install MT stopper to the cabinet. Attach board 6 to cabinet using M3.5 screw. Install 2-pin magnet on board 6 using M3.5 screw. Install handle to board 6 using M4 screw. Repeat steps 11 to 14. Congratulations, you have assembled your gas cabinet.